Morning, class. Again, it's Professor Azimi. I hope all is well. I just wanted to give an update for our ESOL 052 class. Again, in this class, you won't have any assignments due for quite some time. You have 2 weeks where you just need to concentrate on yourselves at home. Just know that in the ESOL class, that's my dog in the background. Sorry about that. In the ESOL class, you will note that we will have fewer assignments. Everything that I do is so that you're successful in 101. So most of the videos and updates and announcements will be housed in English 101. Okay, have a great day. Stay safe, and I will see you later. Make sure you enroll in the Remind app for our English 101 class. I will have an ESOL Remind listing as well, but I'll send that out later on. Thank you. Bye.